Hi, in this video you'll learn about casting. You have probably noticed something odd about doubles and integers. When you assign an integer value to a double, Java automatically converts the integer to its decimal form. In this example, the double variable y is assigned an integer 5, but when you print the value of y, the decimal value 5.0 is printed. This is due to something called casting. Casting is converting one data type into another data type. There are multiple types of casting. The example you just looked at is called automatic widening. Some code causes int values to be automatically cast or widened to double values. In this example, the double y is assigned an int value of 10. Because the value of 10 is the same as 10.0, Java automatically converts the int value of 10 to a double value of 10.0. Casting also has some important uses when it comes to division. In a previous lesson, you learned that when you divide two ints in Java, the result is the integer portion of the quotient with any remainder discarded. This is called integer division. So in this example, even though 10 divided by 4 mathematically equals 2.5, Java performs integer division and returns only the integer portion of the result, which is 2. So z would be assigned the value of 2.0 due to automatic widening. When it comes to integer division, you may be wondering, what if you were doing a calculation where you need to be more precise? You may remember that when dividing, if at least one number is a double, the result is the full quotient, including the numbers to the right of the decimal. So, with this in mind, 10.0 divided by 4 would equal 2.5, because 10.0 is a double, meaning the result is the full quotient of 2.5, not just 2. You might have another question. Can I just turn one of the int values into a double? You sure can with casting. To cast an int to a double, you use the casting operator, double, right in front of the value you want to convert. Looking back at the example, you can cast the value of x to a double, so that now our division statement reads 10.0 divided by 4. Now that there is a double involved in the division, the result is the full quotient, 2.5. So now, the expected value of 2.5 is stored in the variable z. Similarly, you can cast a double to an int. To cast a double to an int, you use the casting operator int right in front of the value you want to convert. Let's say that you're doing a division calculation that involves a double, but you just want the whole number and don't need the decimal values. To ensure that you are just using ints, you can cast the double value 24.5 to an int. To convert a double to an int, Java cuts off the digits to the right of the decimal. So 24.5 becomes 24, and our division statement is now 24 divided by 5, which results in an expression that uses integer division. This mathematically evaluates to 4.8, but because there are two ints, Java uses integer division, and the result is 4. So by casting the double to an int value, z stores the value of 4. Let's walk through a simple example program. Before we begin, pause the video and see if you can predict the output. Okay, let's walk through this program step by step. This line creates a double variable x and stores the value 10.3. Next, an int variable y is created. Y stores the value of x, which is 10.3. Then the casting operator int converts this double value of an int to 10 by cutting off the values to the right of the decimal point. All in all, y stores the value of 10. Then y is printed to the console, which is 10, and x is printed to the console, which remains 10.3. Casting can also come in handy when it comes to rounding. For example, a program that involves money might want to round to the nearest dollar, or a program that calculates building supplies might need to round to the nearest brick. You can use casting to round double values to the closest integer using the expression int x plus 0.5. Let's use this expression to round 2.2 to the nearest integer, which is 2. So you start with 2.2, then you add 0.5, which is 2.7. Then, casting 2.7 to an int removes the decimal values, resulting in the expected value of 2. Let's look at an example of rounding up with 2.8, which rounds up to 3. So you start with 2.8 and then add 0.5 to get 3.2. Casting the double value to an int removes the decimal values, resulting in the expected value of 3. Casting can also be used to round double negative values to the closest integer using int x minus 0.5. Let's look at one last example here with negative 2.8, which should round down to negative 3. You start with negative 2.8, then you subtract 0.5 to get negative 3.2. The double value is then cast to an int to get -3. Now it's your turn to put casting into practice.